Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Question 1. What is media? Explain with reference from text. Answer. The word media is derived from medium, which means carrier or mode. Media is a channel carrying messages to widespread general public. Media denotes an item specifically designed to reach to large audience of viewers. Media covers all aspects of our interest like politics, war, health, finance, science, music, and fashion, etc. Question 2. What is meant by misuse of media? How can it be stopped? Answer. Media is often misused for money making. Media induces baseless ideas through advertisements. People are forced to buy harmful or substandard products. Media often distort truth to attract attentions of the general public. Question 3. How should students take benefits from internet and avoid its bad effects? Answer. Internet is the best source of information in the field of politics, education, science and technology, literature and sports. Especially students can search each and everything they need. In the field of research, internet is very helpful for students. If a student feels any difficulty in his course books, he can search it on Google and can solve his difficulty. But internet has also some negative aspects. Sometimes children enter to such websites which harm their moral characters. So they should use it for positive purpose and they should abstain from negative materials available on internet. Question 4. Do you think television is useful source of information? Why? Answer. Yes, television is a useful source of information. On TV screen, one can watch programs about politics, science, education, religion, literature, and health. People watch latest news whenever and wherever they want. Question 5. How can media bring about religious harmony? Answer. Media has power to build public opinion. Media can bring about religious harmony by enlightening people and discouraging sectarian, communal, and divisive trends. Question 6. Find out transitional devices in the text. Answer. Following words are the transitional devices in the text. Therefore, however, furthermore, moreover, almost, etc.